With all this snow, is there a way to melt the ice with something other than salt? Let's find out. Okay, so we're gonna have 3 ice cubes of the same size. I'm gonna put salt on one, sugar on the other, and then have nothing on the third one, and that'll be our control. When one of the bells that are attached to the ice cube hits the plate, that's the winner. All right, and here we go. Whoa, look at that. The salt is already pulling ahead. Here's what's happening. Ice has a thin layer of liquid on the surface. When we put salt or sugar on the ice, they dissolve into it, making it harder for the water to stay frozen. It's called freezing point depression. When salt dissolves, it breaks apart into charged pieces, and sugar dissolves as whole molecules. So we're looking to see whether more dissolved particles melt ice faster than fewer dissolved particles. All right, it's getting close. Let's watch. Okay, so it looks like we have our winner here. Because salt split into charged pieces, it spread through the water more easy, affecting much more of the ice than the sugar. Though you can see the sugar did a much better job than just putting nothing on the ice. So you could technically use the sugar, but salt remains the king of the spices when it comes to melting the ices. Remember, science is all about testing, not guessing. That's it for Lunch Lab, and we'll see you next time.